Hi, it's Future from Sewmate. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to draft a very easy no-dot skirt block. So this block is used mainly when drafting patterns that are going to use stretchy fabrics with elastic waistbands. You don't need to draft a front and back pattern with this block. You only need to draft one pattern and it works for both. So I'll be using a few tools in doing this: a curved ruler, a straight ruler, a scissors, and a marker pen, so you can see what I'm doing. You instead will be using a pencil, okay, as usual. Luckily, I've got a pattern paper here with a very straight edge, so I'll be using it as my center back and center front. Square a horizontal line at the top of your pattern paper, leaving about 2 to 3 centimeters at the top here. So I'll be using my quarter hip measurement, which is 34 centimeters. Just square a line across, which is quarter hip measurement equivalent. Mine is 34. This line we just drawn here is going to serve as our waistline. So we're going to put in all our vertical measurements from the waist to the hem of the skirt. First, we're going to put in our hip depth, which is 21 centimeters for me. That's just the distance from your waist to your hip. My skirt is going to be 50 centimeters long. So from the waist going down, mark whatever length you want to use for your skirt. Square horizontal lines across these 2 points. Transfer your quarter hip measurement, which we put here, to all these lines, or you can just square the lines down if you've got a ruler like mine, which can help you do that. Next, we're going to label these lines. So this is our waistline, hip line, and this is our hem. We're not going to do anything with our hem because we've got our quarter hip measurement here already. We transfer the same amount quarter hip measurement to our hemline as well. It will remain a square like that. So the only thing we need to do now, we need to put in our waist measurement and shape the side seam. On the top line here, which is our waistline, we're going to put our quarter waist measurement. Mine is 22 centimeters. Put a mark. Square a line up, which is 1 centimeter. Now, go 2.5 centimeters up from our hip line. Put a mark. Next, we need to connect this point to this point with a curved line. This part of the hip is going to remain straight, okay? With the help of your curved ruler, just draw in a nice curve. From this raised point, we're going to make another soft curve back to the waistline. Okay. Next, we're going to label the pattern. So I'll just put no dot skirt block. And I'll put my initials so that it's known that it's mine. And we're just going to cut around the pattern. We don't need to add any seam allowances because we'll be using stretchy fabrics. So that's it, my skirt block is finished. I've cut it right onto cardboard already, so I don't need to transfer it anywhere. I've got a long lasting block already now. You need to transfer yours to Octag as well.